Yo, what up, guys? It's Juan back at it with another one, and I'm eating a quick muscle building meal, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm eating. So we got Greek yogurt in here, as you can see. We put Greek yogurt packed full of protein, 15 grams of protein for only 1/3 of a cup. We're all about the gains over here, okay? It's winter time and we're trying to get these gains. All right, we got the agave to sweeten it up. This is an amazing natural sweetener. This is agave nectar, organic light. Okay, this is an amazing natural sweetener. So we're gonna be putting it in the yogurt to make it sweet, because this is just plain Greek yogurt. It's actually a little bit sour. It has no sweetness to it at all. So this agave syrup is gonna completely transform the flavor of the yogurt, and it's gonna make it nice and sweet for us. Okay, so we're adding some of this agave to it, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. We're adding the agave to it. We're trying to peel this top off it. Trying to peel this top off it. All right, so we're adding this agave syrup to the yogurt to make it nice and sweet. And then the next step is we're gonna throw some blueberries in it, some frozen blueberries. So this is gonna be really nice. This is gonna be almost like ice cream, because these frozen blueberries are gonna make the yogurt nice and cold, and it's gonna add a nice, amazing flavor to it. So we're adding in blueberries, and then we're gonna mix this up and eat it. This is literally like ice cream because of the coldness from the blueberries mixed with the sweetness from the agave, mixed with the creaminess from the yogurt. This is literally like ice cream. I love eating this meal. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys, because when it comes to fitness, there's no need to eat meals that you hate. You can eat meals that you enjoy. You don't have to eat meals that suck. You don't have to hate every meal you eat. You can eat meals that you enjoy, okay? So we're mixing it up. I like to use the wild blueberries. These are just regular blueberries, but the wild ones are really good too. But yeah, these are just regular blueberries because I was trying to save a little bit of money. We're stirring it up so the ice cream, or not the ice cream, so the yogurt gets nice and cold, and it's mixed. Everything's mixed. The blueberries plus the agave plus the yogurt mixes together to make a nice, cold, sweet, creamy dish. It's got your fruits, it's got your protein, it's got everything you need to build muscle in here. So good. This tastes so good. This literally tastes amazing. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Let me put the blueberries back in the freezer so they don't melt. But yeah, guys, you don't have to eat a bunch of horrible tasting food to build muscle. You can build muscle eating clean, healthy, delicious foods. Okay? You don't even have to eat that much to build muscle. You can build muscle on a juice cleanse if you need to clean your gut out. But you don't have to eat disgusting food to build muscle. You can eat food that you enjoy. I enjoy eating this. It's sweet, high in protein, nice and cold because of the frozen blueberries. You could even put the yogurt in the freezer for a bit if you want and make that cold too. You just don't want to freeze it too much because you got to be able to stir everything in. But yeah, this is an amazing dish. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So fucking delicious. Blueberries, yogurt, agave nectar for the sweetness. Simple. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Till next one, I'm out. Peace.